Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm back with another makeup and clothing haul. I'm like obsessed with buying cosmetics and clothes all the time. So you should always buy makeup products when they are on a discount because you literally save so much. I usually stock up on my favorites when there's a discount going on because there's literally no point buying the product at a full price. It's a total waste of money and there's always some kind of discount going on makeup products. But the makeup and clothes were sent to me by Myntra for their Myntra campaign, and there was this midnight sale going on Myntra I think 2 weeks back, and most of the products from Maybelline, L'Oreal and so many other brands were at a discount, 30 to 50% off, and I was so happy. Like 50% is huge. You literally save so much. So before diving into the video and showing you all the products, first I want to talk about the packaging. So the last time I ordered cosmetics from Myntra, I was really disappointed as I received brand new smashed palettes and it was a total bummer for me. So if you guys have not seen that video, then I'm going to link it in the I button and you can check it out. But thankfully this time the packaging was really nice and secure and all my products were in good condition. So I'm just going to show you the packaging. This is the outer box in which I received the products, and then the products were packed nicely in this, and then they had like a nice ziploc packaging with the product name on it, which is really nice. And also they're gradually switching towards paper bag, which is a great initiative. Like I did not receive all my products in paper bag, there were some plastic bags as well, but yeah, they're trying and it's a really good initiative. The first lipstick that I want to show you guys is from Maybelline. This is Super Stay Matte Ink and this is in the shade 75 Fighter. The actual price is $650 and it costed me around $325, 50% off. Wow. First I'm going to swatch this shade for you guys on my hand. So you can see it's a pretty dark brown shade with orange and red tones in it, and it kind of gives you that fall vibe. It's a very different and unique color and it's a must-have in your makeup kit only if you like to wear dark lip shades or if you just like to go a tad bit dark on your lips. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the formula and texture of this lipstick. So when you apply it, it's going to feel a bit sticky, but the stickiness fades away in a while, and the formula is not very lightweight, but it's extremely comfortable on the lips, not at all drying, and it won't budge for a long time. This is definitely transfer proof and smudge proof, which is really needed at this time because we wear masks all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much about this lipstick. Moving on to the next lipstick, this is again Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 15 Lover. Just swatching it. As you can see, it's a pretty cool toned mauve color, and mauve color can complement a lot of skin tones. One thing I really like about these matte ink lipsticks is that it feathers a narrow and like a pointed applicator for a precise and even application. And the formula is not transfer proof and smudge proof. It's not at all drying on the lips, so my lips never feel chapped. And again, it's sticky and it kind of takes an hour to settle into a matte finish, and that is when the stickiness fades away. It stays for a long time and this serves a meal properly without fading away, but reapplication is not a good idea because it's quite thick. So the next I have is Jolt Matte Intense Lip Paint from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 13 How Bare You. So I'm wearing this lip shade right now. It's a really pretty shade and this is the first time that I'm wearing this lipstick. It feels really comfortable. So this is my favorite from all the lipsticks that I ordered. So now I'm going to swatch it for you, but this is how it looks like when you're wearing it. So first I'm going to talk about the applicator. So you can see it's a pointy sponge, so again it's going to give a really precise and even application. So you can see it's a brown new shade, it's buildable and it easily glides on the lips, which is a great thing, and I feel this is a really comfortable shade for everyday wear. But if you think from the price point, so they give you 5 ml of product for $400, which is quite pricey, but if you think from the quality point, then it's definitely worth it. And this costed me around $279. Yeah, it costed me around $279 for this. The formula is nice and creamy, and as I've said, it's really comfortable on the lips. It's lightweight, but I feel that it's not that long lasting. Like this is the first time I'm wearing it, so let's see. Next I have is pack of 6 intense long wear lip pencils. I don't know whether they are long wear or not. So these 6 lip pencils costed me around 250 rupees, which is great. So I've just used one pencil from this pack, and these are retractable pens, easy and smooth to work with, and definitely super affordable, but I don't feel they are super long lasting. The color family ranges from browns and pinks to maroons, so I'm just going to swatch this one for you, which I've already used. Definitely really smooth, and this is how it looks like. So if you want to invest in lip pencils, then you can, but definitely not a must-have. We're done with the lipstick collection. Moving on to the eyeliners, we have is this brown maxi eyeliner. This is from In Color, and the lip pencils that I showed you were also from In Color. So this costed me around 250, and this was not on discount, but very affordable. So I've already used it, and I'm going to put up a picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see that how it actually looks like. So you can see it's a firm felt tip, and I've used a number of felt tips till date, and I have to say this one is really amazing for the price we pay. You can see it's slightly long and pointed, which kind of gives a very precise and even application. So guys, I've used this Nykaa's Get Inked eyeliner, and I have to say that the In Color eyeliner is much better. The tip is really nice, and it gives a really precise application as compared to this one. So if you are looking for a brown eyeliner, then this is a must have in your makeup kit. So you can see it has a sleek packaging, and it feels and it looks very nice. Like, it doesn't look cheap at all, and it's travel friendly. Moving on to another eyeliner, and again it's from In Color. I don't know how many eyeliners I bought, like how many makeup products I bought from In Color, and I have not even opened it, so I'm just going to open it and show you guys. So this is In Color Master Stroke eyeliner in the shade 03 Silver Trance. Just going to swatch it first. You can see it's a really nice silver color. It's great for festive and wedding season. The tip is nice and pointed, and I feel it's gonna give a precise application, but I have not used it, so I cannot say much about it. And it claims to be long lasting and smudge proof, and this is like a really nice intense silver color. So the last one I have is this makeup remover from Maybelline. I have to say the packaging is really nice. So I ordered a pack of 2, and these are like very cute small bottles, easy to carry, and like each bottle costed me around 80 rupees. So yeah, it's really nice. So this is an oil infused makeup remover, and you can see I've already used it. It efficiently removes the eye and lip makeup, but if the makeup is waterproof, then you need to go for 2 swipes, and this is a great travel bottle. Also, as I ordered so many products from In Color, so I also got a free nail paint, which I have not received. Last one in makeup is this Maybelline long lasting gel liner with mascara. So this is a combo, and I did not order this one. So this is the gel liner with the hyper curl mascara, and if you guys are watching my video, then you guys know this is my absolute favorite mascara. I can literally use this every day. So you can see that I've already used it, and it glides easily on the lash line. Like, it's smooth and soft as a butter. And if you're a beginner and want to achieve a perfect wing eyeliner, then you can definitely try your hands on this. So it's smudge proof and jet black in color, and it's going to help you achieve a really nice smoky eye. So now we're done with the makeup products, so I'm going to quickly show you the clothes. So the first one is this white shirt. This is from Only, and this has letters all over it. So this is a semi sheer shirt with a curved hem and a back slit. I'm not doing a try on haul, but I'm gonna put up a picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see that how it actually looks like. Overall, it's a really nice shirt and can be styled in so many ways. So many ways, and you can see this has some really nice weaving going on here. So the next shirt is this, which I'm already wearing, and again I'm gonna put up a picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see that how it actually looks. So it's a really nice checkered shirt with long puffed sleeve, and you can style this shirt in so many ways. It's super versatile, and I really like the buttons of this shirt. The fabric is extremely comfortable, and this will kind of give you that fall vibe. Last one is this pair of shoes. It is so pretty. I cannot even tell you. It's comfortable and it's so different. It looks really nice when you wear it, and the picture will be on the screen so you guys can see that how it looks. It's a super versatile shoe and you can style it in so many ways. Like if you're going out with your girls, you can definitely try this, or if you're just going on a date, then even you can try out this shoe. So guys, these were some of the products, and make sure you buy the makeup products when they're on a discount, no matter how rich you are. But that's the smart way of buying the makeup product. So I'm going to link my previous haul videos in the description box, and make sure you check them out. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you all in my next video.